Hi, in this course you are going to learn and master how to disassemble, repair, clean and assemble any mobile phone in general. I'm going to teach you exactly how to repair any phone that suffers from liquid damage. I'm going to go along with you step by step from A to Z, from disassembling the phone, removing motherboards, battery and connectors. I'm going to show you how to fix the issue using adequate tools and techniques, how to testing it, clean it, assembling it, testing it again, etc. To see the truth, this course will make you a pro in terms of mobile phone maintenance. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and let's get started. So now let's assemble this phone and see the result. So we will begin and install the last thing that we remove. So the last thing that we remove is the main board. So let's install it right now. We're gonna begin with the switches connector, as you can see, or the power switch, volume up and volume down knob, as you can see. As I told you before, always be soft when you deal with smartphones or phones in general. So now the connector is done, is connected. Okay. Do you see the SIM card slot? So that's why the first thing to remove is the SIM card. If you don't remove it, you can break the SIM card and the SIM card holder. So the mainboard now is inserted correctly. So as you can see, this piece basically helps us to gather the screws. I advise you to have this kind of piece in order to make things easier. So now let's put the screws back. Okay. Now let's insert the camera, the rear camera, as you can see. So the rear camera is inserted successfully, and also we connect its connector. Then we will install the front camera, as you can see. Always try to do not touch the camera lens. So the front camera is installed and also its connector is connected. So now let's install the mainboard cover, as you can see. Okay, this is a plastic cover. As you can see, we have these holes should be aligned with the mainboard holes, as you can see. Okay, we have basically 3 holes. Okay, as I told you before, be soft when you install all phone components. So we have here 3 holes. So let's put 3 screws back in order to secure the mainboard cover. Okay, basically it's not just a cover, but it contains some ground pin and pins connection. So now we secure the mainboard, as you can see. The cameras are installed, the mainboard cover are installed, all screws are installed right now. Now let's put the battery in order to test the phone before installing other parts. So let's insert the battery. So this knob basically should be over the battery. So the battery is inserted right now. And let's put back these connectors. Then we're gonna install the daughter boards, okay, in order to connect other connectors. So here we have the power jack, as you can see. So we should put these 3 screws in order to secure the daughterboard connector to the phone. So now, as you can see, we connect the connector or the nap that connects between the 2 motherboards, the main board and the daughter board. And of course, you should always follow the instructions above this nap. As you can see, the arrow goes directly to the main board. We have M here, okay? Do not swap this nap. If you swap it, the phone will not open, or even you can make a short circuit. But usually the connectors or the jacks are not the same. So all parts are connected. Now we can power on the phone and see what happened. So let's see. Now we can power on the phone and see what happened. Here we go. As you can see, it's okay. So as you can see, nice. So the work nicely done. Let's wait a little bit in order to confirm whether the phone will pass the post self-test. As you can see, good. Now the phone is repaired. Okay, this is nice. So guys, basically this is the steps. If you focus these steps, you can fix any phone that suffer from this kind of damage, a liquid damage. Okay, so this course is for any phone liquid damage. Just follow these steps, and of course all kind of phones, okay, not just the Huawei or Samsung, etc. They have the same working principle when you want to disassemble it or assemble it. Okay, always you will find the battery, the daughter board, the main board, but in some phones you can find just one board, one main board that gather all components, and of course you will find some connectors, cameras, etc. Okay,